Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through best practices for developing business planning applications using the Analogic platform. This guide is based on Knowledge Seed's experience delivering complex planning systems, and while there's no single correct approach, these are the practices we found most effective. Before we begin, it's important to understand that we distinguish between two types of projects: Greenfield projects, where we build something new from the ground up; continuous development, where we improve an existing application over time. Today's video focuses on Greenfield development. We'll cover continuous development in a separate video. For new projects, never start with coding. Instead, begin with a deep dive analysis of client needs. At Knowledge Seed, we use Adobe XD to prototype the application before writing any code. This clickable mockup serves as a communication tool with the client, a visual alternative to long, text-based specs, a way to rapidly incorporate feedback and avoid costly rework later. Why is this so effective? Because making changes at the design stage costs 10 to 20 times less than making them during or after development. When designing in XD, we follow some key rules. Modular structure. Each function gets its own module. One module equals one page, no multi-page navigation within a module. Confined to a full HD screen. Avoid both vertical and horizontal scrolling. Use controls smartly. Filters, drop-downs, pop-ups, and panels manage complexity. Resist the urge for huge tables. They slow performance and overwhelm users. Instead, load filtered data by default. Use pagination and column toggles. Only show full data when explicitly requested. The goal is always clarity, speed, and usability. The XD model evolves in weekly or bi-weekly review meetings. We typically begin with a rough mock-up of the menu and a few modules, then iterate quickly based on feedback. This continues until the client signs off on a near-final design. At that point, we create a short walkthrough video of the XD model, helping the client share the vision across their organization even before development begins. This video is especially helpful when the model gets large or when non-technical stakeholders need to understand the system. Once the design is finalized, there's a critical but often overlooked step. The entire XD model should be reviewed by the development team to identify UI elements for specific functions that appear in multiple places across the application or could be useful in future modules or other projects. In Analogic, these should be built as reusable components to reduce development effort, maintain consistency across the app, and make future enhancements easier and faster. This step ensures that the front-end architecture is scalable and maintainable right from the start. During development, always update the XD model to reflect any changes made. Why? Because the XD file becomes the blueprint for future enhancements. If it falls out of sync, it loses its value for future design phases. While the design phase is underway, technical groundwork can start. Set up development, tests, and production environments. Connect external data sources. Establish a Git-based deployment pipeline. We recommend a 3-environment setup: development, where developers work; pre-production, for user testing with real or representative data; production, for live use. Code should always move through the pipeline, not directly to production, except in rare emergency cases. This ensures quality and avoids surprises. To recap, start with user-centered design, not code. Use XD or similar tools to prototype fully. Follow design principles that balance usability and performance. Identify and build reusable components early. Keep your prototype updated. Support the process with proper infrastructure and versioning. Thanks for watching, and welcome to your first Analogic project.